Okay, guys, I'm back. I just got back from my trip. I was gone for 35 days. 35 days, and I did not drive my truck. And I came back and I had issues. And I'm gonna show you. So let's hop in here. Get this out here. I got absolutely no power at all. Press the brakes are kind of stiff. And power button. Nothing. It's dead. So last night I was driving my truck from the airport. It started burping, really skipping, and it started losing power. It wouldn't change gears. So it died on me in the highway. So my first thought was either the alternator's going bad or the battery went bad. But this is the new battery so far. So I'm going to change out the battery. Because last night the tow truck guy, he actually towed my truck here in this spot. And he charged my battery up for like 5 minutes. And the truck lights turned on. So I'm thinking maybe it's the battery. So instead of towing it to the dealership right now, I'm just gonna replace this battery with the old battery. Make sure everything is tight. Harness is tight. All right. Let's go see what she does. So let's see what I need. Maybe a crescent wrench on that. And that one looks pretty simple to take off, right? All right. So I got my toolbox. And I got the other big toolbox without any tools. What's the point of having a toolbox with no tools? Good thing, because I didn't buy the toolbox. It came with the truck, so I'm not going to use it for tools. Only for jumper tools. But yeah, let's fix this. Let's see what I need. So I took out the old battery and I got in a new battery. We're gonna see if this is the problem. If not, then it has to be this. Stay tuned. So as I was connecting back the connectors to the negative and the positive ports, my lights came on. That's a good sign because my lights were dead yesterday and last night. I'm over here. So let's just tighten these up and go from there. I got lights. Great. My key fob. Straight. Okay, that works. Still giving me issues. Turn it off. It's got to be the alternator. So it struggled to run. So I changed the battery. I'm not even gonna force it this time. I'm just gonna get towed to the nearest dealership. I did not want to do that. Well, it should be there today or tomorrow, which I hope today because I need it done ASAP. Yeah, we'll be back. Well, the tow truck guy's here. He's right there. Yeah, and he's about to tow that thing to the dealership about 5 miles away, so we're about to get started. I might record the trip, so I don't even know.
Busy gonna call me when they want something.
So me and the tow truck man was just talking, right? He talking to me about his baby mamas and shit. And so he talking about his birthday weekend. So I'm like, okay. I'm thinking, I have a bottle of Hennessy on my refrigerator. I don't even drink. I'm like, okay. I say, hey, I got a bottle of Hennessy if you want that. He said, man, you got a bottle of Hennessy, you don't even drink. I know you ain't drinking it. It's my birthday weekend too. Hey, you got the best tow man in town right now. I'm like, best tow man in town? He said, man, I'll fight a motherfucker if they look at your truck wrong. I said, okay, buddy. So I got his prize right here. His little achievement, awards, or whatever you may call it. But as long as that truck in good hands, it's in good hands with this Hennessy bottle. You know what I'm saying? Well, made it to the dealership. Jerry Ohms, where we'll be sitting there for like hopefully a couple hours or a day or two. I hope not, but hopefully I get some more details tomorrow. What happened, how's it going? But the way this traffic looking, I doubt I'm going to get a call back tomorrow. So I'm back, guys. I'm back in my truck. So as you guys know, I was in the shop for like 35 days. Well, I was gone for 35 days. The truck was in the shop for 35 days. The truck was in the shop for like 1 or 2 days. But yeah, I took it to the shop. So for me gone for that long, for a long period of time, like 35 days, and I left my gas hand on like the bottom of the barrel E, which made the gas turn to water real fast. I guess because I didn't have my tank on full and I was running late to the airport. So I didn't have no time to stop to get gas. So that was my fault. I took all the blame for that. And yes, I'm mad at myself. Because I had to cough up $3K to get my truck out of the shop. So it kind of fried my spark plugs, fuel line. It messed up the gas tank a little bit. So they replaced the gas tank because they don't want to rust in it due to later on in years that I have this truck. But yeah, got my truck back. Got my dog back. Yeah, that's all I need. So now I can finish working on it. I was supposed to get some tint done to it, but that happened. So now I'm still gonna get tint done. The wheel lights, my wheels. I gotta wait for the wheels for like 60, 90 days, but it's been 30 days so far, so I got 6 days left. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. More videos are gonna be coming. You may see more of him. You might, because he's a little iffy. But yeah, like and subscribe, share this video, and we will be back. Thank you.